Sound design has always been a passion of mine. There's just something about perfectly placed that hits like a truck. Good sound design can change everything. It can make a simple hit feel powerful, turn an ordinary moment into something cinematic, and keep you coming back for more. So one day I was playing Growtopia, and I decided to turn the sound on. I hadn't really thought about it before, but then I realized, these sounds haven't changed in over 10 years. So naturally, I had one thought. What if I replaced every single sound? The music? Gone. The sound effects? Obliterated. Why do I do this to myself? Luckily, Growtopia keeps all of its sounds in an easily accessible place. So I just put them all into FL Studio and got to work. Oh, this is gonna take a while. First things first. Growtopia's sound effects are functional, but they could be better. Take this punch sound for example. It's fine, but what if we made it juicier? Added some sauce. Much better. This has got more depth, clarity, and crunch. So just do that a couple more times and you should be fine.
What was I thinking?
Huh? Now, after days of work, let's see if I wasted my time. First, here's a reminder of what the original sounds like. And now here's what I made. So the question now is, was it worth it? Honestly, yes. Growtopia's sounds have a lot of nostalgia, but remaking them made me realize just how much impact sound has on a game's identity. Maybe one day, the game will actually get an official sound update, but until then, at least we have an idea of what it might sound like.